In this video we are how to fix Steam corrupted update files. So first open the Steam and go to settings. In the settings you can see download is there. Click download and scroll down. You can see clear download cache is there. Click it. Click and clear the cache. After next step go to settings. In this click and go to settings. Yes, in this storage is there. Click storage. Yes, and this three dot icon is there. Click it. Yes, click and you have repair library is there. Click repair library, and once it's repairing, after you need to close and come to library. Yes, come to library and click it, and you need to click any games, which games you are going to do. Click it and go to properties. In this properties you have update options. As click update options and update it. Yes, and also you need to check for update. If a Steam have any updated, you need to update. If still same issues continue, you need to uninstall the Steam and again reinstall it. So thank you.